Buenos días. No, lo siento. Buenas noches. Bienvenido a la clase de español. Welcome to Spanish class. Good evening. Hoy es viernes. Todavía. It is still Friday. Okay. So in my last video, I left off here hondureño, hondureña, Honduran. So we will move on. Mexicano, mexicana, that is Mexican. Nicaragüense. Now this is that U that has the two dots over it. That's called a diéresis, and it gives it a sort of woo sound. It's often behind a G, like in pinguino, nicaragüense. So it's like a W is included here to get that sound. We have Panameño, Panameña. That's Panamanian. Paraguayo, Paraguaya. Paraguayan. Is that how we say it? Person from Paraguay. Peruano, Peruana. Puerto Riqueño, Puerto Riqueña. Sorry. That's somebody from Peru. This one's somebody from Puerto Rico. Ruso, Rusa, somebody from Russia. Salvadoreño, Salvadoreña, a person from El Salvador. Uruguayo, Uruguaya, somebody from Uruguay. Venezolano, Venezolana, somebody from Venezuela. So those are nationalities that you might use to describe a person's background. Moving on then. Las profesiones. These would be professions, something that somebody does for a job. Abogado or abogada, that is a lawyer. Dentista, this one doesn't change at all. That's a person who's a dentist. Policía, a person who's a police officer. Ingeniero, lo siento, ingeniera, a person who's an engineer. Medico. Oh, I'm supposed to have an accent there. I'm going to have to quick add that in. See, I have to go here. Okay. Uh-oh. Wrong letter. Undo that. There we go. Okay. Except my font is off. What font did I have? Was it that one? Maybe not. Maybe that one. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Médico, médica, that is a doctor. Agricultor, agricultora, that is a farmer. Enfermero, enfermera, that's a nurse. Vendedor, vendedora, that is a salesperson. Actor, actriz, this is a guy actor. This is a female actor. Okay, so a few professions. I wonder if these are careers any of you are interested in. Moving on, los artículos. I did go over that on the first slide, but el, la, los, las. These all are the way you can say the. And un, uno, unos, una, unas. These are translated as a or an or sometimes as some. All right. Los pronombres. Oh, this is something, if you have not yet put to memory, you will. These are our subject pronouns. In English, we have I, you, he, she, it, we, they. So these match up. This is our singular side over here, just one person. This is our plural side, multiple people included. Yo is I. Tú is you, my good friend, the friendly form. A lot of times I will abbreviate it MGF, my good friend. Usted, also abbreviated to this, not pronounced oud, but pronounced usted. This is you, sir, or you, the formal one. Él is he. Ella is she. That's my crazy dog running around in the background. I don't know what he's doing. Nosotros, nosotras. This is we. If you see the OS, that can be a we, a group of guys, or we, a group of guys and girls. But if you ever see the nosotras, that's just we, a group of girls. The same sort of thing applies with vosotros, vosotras. This is you all, my good friends, big group of my friends. And masculine or mixed group, and feminine. Then here we have ustedes, abbreviated to ustedes. This is you all, sirs, the formal one. Ellos is they. This too could be a group of guys or a mixed group, guys and girls. And ellas is just a group of girls. All right, so those are our pronombres. Verbos. We are focusing on one major verb in this chapter, the verb ser. This is a verb that means to be. There are actually two verbs in Spanish that mean to be. This is the one we're going to be talking about now. So there are 6 forms of every verb, and they match up with those pronouns that we just looked at. You notice I have 3 singular dots and I have 3 plural dots. That's because when you get to this spot here, these 3 pronouns will all use the same verb. And when you get to this spot here, these 3 pronouns will all use the same verb form. Okay, so a lot of times we'll be making verb charts. And if you can just memorize the verbs and you can memorize the pronouns, you are going to be so prepared for your verb study. So, soy, I am. Eres, you, my good friend, are. Es, that could be él es, ella es, or usted es. Okay, so with any of those subject pronouns, we're going to be using that. And él would have an accent, but I'm just going to leave that be for now. Okay, then somos, we are. Sois, you, all my good friends are. Son, and this is are, but this is they are, whether it's a group of guys, a mixed group, or a group of girls, or ustedes son. So you all, sirs, are. Okay, so that is our verb to say, to be, ser. So just practice saying to yourself, soy, eres, es. Somos, soy, son. Soy, eres, es. Somos, soy, son. Say it over and over again till you have it memorized. Those are your forms you need to know. All right. A few question words. Preguntas, question words. ¿Quién es? Fill in the blank here. And that would be who is. All right. ¿Quién es? Like if somebody's knocking at the door. ¿Quién es? Oh, whoops. Got Scotty started barking. ¿De dónde es? This is from where is. ¿De dónde es mi niño? Es de la cocina. Where is my son from? He is from the kitchen. He was just in the kitchen looking for apples. Una manzana. ¿De qué nacionalidad es? Put in somebody's name here. ¿De qué nacionalidad es la señora Wa? Do you know which nationality I said earlier? I have a little bit of Polish too. ¿Cómo es? Put in somebody's name here. What is a certain person or a certain thing like? ¿Cómo es la señora Wa? Don't know if I want to know your answer to that. Eres simpático? Are you nice? Eres alta? Eres bajo? Are you tall or are you short? I think I'm going to run out of time again. In 4 seconds. Hasta luego.